Hey guys, it's Pineapple. Today we're playing Flood Escape. See? And follow me or add me. I only have one more friend to add, so add me. And follow me, I don't care, okay? But if I can't add you, I'll just follow you back. So where am I? No! It's easy. Okay, is anybody? Come on, we're going for hard. Thank you. Going down the hard. Do. Okay, now I'm actually getting into it. I never had escaped hard before. So hard. She's not pressing the buttons. Okay, I just died. Seriously. Dying is the worst. Put it up to you. See, my name is Pineapple Lover. So I'm telling the truth. If it's upside down, sorry. So there's only 3 more players left for I have to go for hard. Again. Seriously, just like a replay. It's the same map. Blood freezer, room 1. Okay, let's somebody press the button this time. Water is going up and up and up. Gonna try and throw my pineapple. No, I'll hit it. There. I'm being good, okay? She got a trophy for like the first it's Lily C. Okay. Room 2, box army. How are you gonna get up there? I'm following this girl. Get up. Oh my god, I'm nearly gonna die. No, I'm gonna die. Flood. Died. Somebody's pineapple. I'm messing her. So, I'm not. Okay, an easy finally. Excellent. No. Come on, guys. Only 3 people. I've never seen that before. I like easy because it's easy. Comment down below what should I do in the next video. Play Roblox, play Minecraft, control my life, go on the shopping haul, or I don't know. Or go on, see what's on my moon. Yeah. Am I going around the circles or something? Yeah, I ain't gonna die. Mine. Die. Be a part of the Pineapple team. Subscribe and be a pineapple. And a cat. We don't like cats. You're out of the team. Okay, this is room 2, plumbing. Is this new? No. No! I fell. It can't be happening. Bye-bye. Button. No! I'm so sad. I'm gonna build a wild axe. Or should I do a TikTok video next? just yeah, intermission. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But warehouse room number what should I play? Because that is the easy game. Or I'll play Super Mario. Oh god. Sorry. This is well fun. Come on. Who is going to press the button? Guys, you should press that. That guy dies, you're gonna be like, rest in peace, Johnny. Should I hold up the whole thing? Or should I do it up front tomorrow? Am I on tomorrow? Yeah, I'm on Tuesday or Wednesday. I only do videos on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So what should we do with the button? I don't really want to do. Okay, the round is beginning. Easy is actually, oh god, easy makes frustrating. Okay, escape the facility. Room 1, side floors. I'll see what everybody's saying in the chat. Oh, one chat. So I'll do any game Roblox next time. I'll do Instagram with Control My Life. I'll do a box for challenge, not a box. I'll do the Christmas things I got for Christmas. And I'll do Minecraft or Just Dance or Mario or last thing on my iPad. And for my friends on Snapchat. I'll be using Snapchat. Or I could do TikTok. That'd be fun. So guys, the beginning, but that is it for today. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and be a part of the Pineapple team, and like, hit the bell. Bye guys.